Aló, aló, ¿quién te la jaló? What's up, everybody? Hey, hey, vamos a la playa. Oh, ok, vamos a lavaderitos, vamos a lavar ropa, vamos a lavar nuestros brushes today. Okay, special shout out to my best friend Ivonne for gifting me this for Christmas. I cannot wait to use it today and show y'all. Okay, so I'm using e.l.f. to kind of finish cleaning it because the fucking soap, the soap said Lay's. But shout out to Vanessa. Thank you for giving me this for Christmas. This is what I'm doing. You know what? I think, honestly, the soap is cute and it works. But I prefer a brush shampoo. But the lavanderito hits. It's cute. Love the lavanderito for it's a great gift. I love it so much. Thank you so much, Yvonne. I honestly recommend it. The only thing, the sote is adorable for it is. It's cute and all. Pero I would recommend using your own brush soap. But other than that, honestly, it's amazing. I love it. I love the sound effects. It was very therapeutic, low key. So yes, I'm gonna link down their website. And okay, thank you so much for watching, fool. Se las lavan. Mwah!